BIM Nation, yes, BIM President. We all know that the BIM concert is about to kick off. What's up? What's up? Yeah, that comes. That was yes, last year, Corona, COVID, went to Wama or BIM concert, one but then this year Stonebwoy as he promised or say Oya Bim concert alright but guess who is headline this year's concert? Yes, Beanie Man, yeah, we all know that Beanie Man is a big man in the business. Yes, that Jamaican reggae dancehall artist. Now, he has won so many awards, and Stonebwoy has also has a song with him titled Sugar into no ono na wa and say that this year's concert will feature Jamaican dancehall artist Beanie Man as the headline artist. Now the program will take place at the Grand Arena in Accra, Ghana. Now in its fifth edition, the annual program is put together by Stonebwoy through his Benetton Music Group. The highly patronized event is part of his vision to showcase Ghana's musical richness while promoting his enviable brand, local artists, established and up-and-coming ones or brands, and connect with his grassroots consumers. Now, aligned with this year's theme, Beam of Hope, the three-day event will begin on 17 December with a free house screening at the Mandela Park, Ashaiman, as part of the event's corporate social responsibility, followed by a free skills training or workshop on 18th December 2021. Now, in 2019, Beanie Man did Sugar with Stonebwoy. The songs built on stuttering synth hints and beat work produced by Ghana's #1 producer, Street Beat. So and so this year's Beam concert, everybody. So all the BIM natives out there, BIM natives know what out there anticipate and then be ready. Check your Stonebwoy any social media handles na pages na how to get yourself a ticket and how to get to the concert.